New York-based Gemini is an exchange best known for being founded by the famed Winklevoss twins. It has a great reputation for security and compliance with American regulations, but is it really that good? Hi, I'm Nate Martin, and we're taking a deeper look into Gemini in today's 2-minute review. Gemini was founded in 2015 with a very different aim than other cryptocurrency exchanges. Instead of trying to avoid regulation, Gemini decided to embrace it. Cooperating with regulators and offering plenty of security certifications, Gemini's key selling point is that it offers customers peace of mind, knowing that their funds are in safe hands. Gemini's exchange is newbie-friendly, allowing users to buy and sell crypto instantly at the market rate. It even has a nice automatic buy feature, which lets you schedule purchases for every day, week, or however often you'd like, making dollar-cost averaging that much easier. For more experienced traders, Gemini offers an advanced trading platform called Active Trader. This platform has all of the features you don't see in the basic interface, such as candlestick charts and different order types. In addition to the exchange, Gemini's website is packed with features such as a payments app, an insurance on customer funds, and even its very own stablecoin called Gemini Dollar or GUSD. You can learn more about all of these in our in-depth review. The one thing our team isn't so excited about is Gemini's fees, which aren't that great. Traders on the exchange will have to pay a 0.5% convenience fee on every transaction, and that's on top of their transaction fees, which are a minimum of 1.49%. Advanced traders get a bit of a better deal, paying up to 0.35% on each trade. Also, Gemini's enhanced security and safety comes at the price of a relatively long and complicated KYC process. Make it 4.2 stars from us here at 99 Bitcoins, as we think Gemini is packed with features and provides outstanding security and compliance, especially for US customers. However, these will cost you relatively high fees and a tedious identification process. Have you used Gemini? Let us know what you think about it in the comments. And if you haven't used Gemini, you can sign up or read our in-depth review using the link in the description below. That's today's 2-minute crypto review, and I'll see you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.